Welcome! In this video, we're going to walk through how to archive emails quickly and easily using the Gmail app. If your inbox is getting a little too crowded, this simple method will help you clean things up without deleting anything important. Let's jump right in. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. You can use either an Android or an iPhone. It works the same way on both. Once the app is open, make sure you're signed into the account where the email you want to archive is located. Next, scroll through your inbox and find the email you want to archive. This could be a message you've already read, something you've finished dealing with, or just an email you don't need cluttering up your inbox anymore. Archiving removes it from your main view, but keeps it safe in your account so you can find it later. When you find the email, press and hold your finger on it. You'll notice that it gets highlighted, and a few icons will appear at the top of the screen. These icons let you take different actions with that email. Now, look for the archive icon. It looks like a tiny box with a downward arrow. Tap on that icon. Just like that, your selected email disappears from your inbox. Don't worry, it hasn't been deleted. It's simply been moved into the All Mail section of your Gmail account, where you can access it anytime. If you ever want to find that archived email again, just tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of your screen, scroll down, and select All Mail. You'll see everything you've archived there. You can open any email, move it back to your inbox, or leave it archived if you prefer things neatly organized. And that's it. Archiving emails in the Gmail app is one of the fastest ways to keep your inbox clean and stress-free. Try this out today and see how much smoother your daily email routine becomes. Thanks for watching.